Hey everyone, with Ethereum taking a huge rise, let's talk about how you can actually buy Ethereum and how you can actually trade Ethereum. So a lot of people don't actually realize how to buy it. So this is going to be a simple step solution. I'm going to be showing you a BYBIT because you can get a $4,000 bonus when you start trading here. You get a $4,000 bonus. So link in the description below. But there's multiple things after you sign up using my link. So that's one thing. But it's actually a pretty simple way to buy your own ETH. Now, you don't have to buy one whole ETH. You can just buy an actual 0.01. So a lot of misconception with you people coming to crypto is that they need to buy a whole crypto. No, that's not true. You don't need to do that. So personally, if you want to start trading, you can use USDT as the collateral. And so once you are on the derivative page, you can actually start trading and use isolated calls or cross calls. So these ones are pretty specific. Most people use isolated. And you can order at specific prices. So if the price is this right now, you can actually order by quality, and you can either long your crypto and you can leverage too as well. I don't suggest that use leverage 100 because as immediate as price change, you're going to get liquidated. You also don't have to leverage at all. So if you have a lot of funds, you don't have to specifically leverage. And then you can say, it's going to go up or it's going to go down. So you can click on buy, long, or sell short. And the more crypto goes up, the higher the chances. As you can see, Ethereum is exploding right now. There's a lot of traders going in and about, and you could also order by quantity or you can order by value. So if you want to buy $10, you can simply type in $10 here. Personally, if I want to buy 001 over here, it will tell me how much it is. So this is how much it is to short. It's about 50-50 right now. So let's say you are gonna short it and you're gonna say, well, it's gonna drop to, well, let's say 0. It's gonna drop to $89. So here you can actually see that if you buy this, that it's gonna drop to this price and do a limit, or you can also do a market. There's a great chance that this is gonna be much cheaper, because if, for example, if it drops to $2,000, well, then you made a huge profit, right? So the cost is gonna be much cheaper, if you get me. So that's a pretty important thing. And they also have a lot of competitions. If you use the link in the description below, but if you just want to buy it, so you could go to spot trading. Actually, yeah, you need to buy, obviously, if you have USDT first or some stable coins or whatever you use to buy it. So there, a lot of people do spot trading. Some people do derivatives, so they use USDT as collateral. The interesting thing is, a lot of people do spot trading also. That's another great thing. I think most people use spot trading, and you don't have to margin 10x, and you can actually order the value. So you can say quantity 0.01 Ethereum, so $20, and you can buy it and actually get, buy it on the spot. So that means you basically just bought yourself some Ethereum for this price. Now, if you use market, it just means it's going to buy you instantly, so you don't have to set specific prices. If you're buying in smaller amounts, you can also use market. For Ethereum, it does give you a bigger advantage. So let's say you want to use $30. You want to buy $30 of it. So that's a big thing. So let's say here you can buy for $50 and you can just click buy Ethereum, buy yourself some Ethereum. And if you want to sell it, the same principle applies. So you can actually buy it and say, I'm going to buy it for this amount. There's also margin trading, but this is, I never do margins because they're too complicated. But usually when it says spot or spot wallet, it means that you can buy it without any derivatives or USD perpetuals. You don't have to trade it. You can just simply buy it, and that's it. Again, if you want, use my link in the description below, and I'll keep you guys updated on how to buy Ethereum itself. Smash that like button, and until next time, peace everyone.